Hi guys, it's Kris. How y'all doing today? I'm just gonna say, not say no Kathy anymore. If she's here, then you'll know she's here. I just have, excuse me, a real quick unbagging. This came in today. It's late. It's for last month, and I'd gotten a letter saying they were gonna be late. Here's the bag. Now, I can use these bags to make the goodie bags, the mystery bags for you guys. Okay. Open it up. First thing. Oh, our MOTD. Now, I actually like these brushes, but I know they're not going to make it to the, to the drawer because I know someone else that wants these. So, there's that. Oh, wait. Let's see. Does it have a... No, it just says that this should be valued at $120 plus. So, you know, we'll see. Then we have Ona, New York. It's brightening eye cream. You can see. Let's see what it... Oops, get back here. Oh, man. Okay. This don't want to come out. So, oh. It helps if you're pulling on the right side. Oh. Okay. This is what it is. I think. Yeah, you did it. Push it and rub it on your eye. This will probably go in the gift basket and then it will mysteriously disappear. So we will see. Okay, then we have I don't know, guys. Guess what? You get to determine what that says. This is a soak glow face cream. It's designed for sensitive skin, and yeah, this is to be used over or under makeup. So, and this is what it is in case I hadn't shown you. Okay. Let's see what the next one is. Okay, we have, this is from Lucky Chick. Now, if we had something last one in this from Lucky Chick. Can't remember, I think it was, I don't know what it was, but this right here is a liquid eyeshadow, so, and it's called Gold Mine. So let's see. This is what it looks like. This is I actually swatched this so I can see it gets it's this kind of one. Okay. I don't know what's gonna happen with this. I don't wear these. I don't think Kathy does either, so more than likely gift basket. Okay, and the last thing is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Ooh, okay. And of course there's this. Oh, come on. Alright, I don't want that to fall out. Okay, there you go. Let's see if we can get you a good... That's it's called Hustler Baby. I've seen this one on somebody and it looked fantastic. Unfortunately, it's too dark for me. But I know, again, I know someone that wants it real bad. So, we shall see. Oh. Okay. I think that's it, guys. I had gotten the True Skin to try it out, but I don't know if you can see. I think this is too dark. It's called Warm Beige. I don't want to open it. And I also messed up. Kathy took one of them, and then the other one, I don't know where it is right now. Okay, guys. Well, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And yeah, y'all, I hope you're well. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.